We're on a mini. I started the video.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's a bridge. Oh, that's epic. Oh, this is so fun. Look at the little Vancouver. It's not Vancouver.
Vancouver Island.
I thought we were in Victoria.
Well, we're on Vancouver Island.
Oh.
That's what the island is.
Are we going on that?
No.
What?
I know, that's for an even smaller train.
For an even smaller train?
Yeah.
Aww. I want to see how small the trains are for that one.
I know.
Are we going along that bridge over there?
I don't know. Because normally you go a long way, but hi.
Oh, I think we're going through a tunnel. Yes.
So you gotta scream through the tunnel, okay?
Scream.
Yeah, scream. You gotta get rid of all the bats. Ready? You gotta scream through the tunnel.
Bats! I don't think there were any bats.
We got rid of all of them.
Yeah. Oh my goodness,
All that track, but I don't think we're going down there.
we're going over the bridge though. That would be fun. Look over there. Yummy. Yeah, you can see those tracks. This bridge is so fun. I wish we could go on the tiny one.
I know. I've never seen the actual
There's birds going on, you know?
We're taking the tiny way. That's okay.
Yay. We're going over this bridge again. What else are we gonna do? Are we gonna go look at the houses?
Oh, I don't think it's open space because it's not really hot.
Oh. This is still fun though.
Good.
A little light. And he's actually shoveling coal in there.
I know. That's awesome. Can you get sound on that?
The microphone is just on the side right there. On the opposite side of the flashing light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Train's
gonna arrive. Are you gonna wait for Grandma? Wait for Grandma and Daddy when you see them. Oh, there they are, waiting.
Hi!
Right over here, Harry.
I'm waving. Yay! Hi! Oh, there's one of those things over there. One of those spinning
It's like a
things.
Titmus shed.
There's one of those spinning things. Those are awesome. Going around. That's one of the houses.
Isn't that the train the little boy was riding, or no?
No,
Oh, okay.
that's a different one. There's bricks. It's like a tiny train, but like works just like a big train.
Those sets have colors.
All right. That was fun.
Smells like train.
Smells like train.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting off here.
Go.
Oh, butterfly!
So that took 5 minutes. That ride was 5 minutes.
Okay, off you go.
Yay! That was fun.
Thank you so much.
Oh, right.
No, well, we can if you want to. But we're gonna go. Let's go see Grandma. She's over there.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
We gotta go get our people.
Straight to the
Okay.
car. Are we going home?
Oh, there goes Harry, running with his fidget spinner.
Follow the road around the corner there. As soon as you get around the corner, you'll see all the stuff.
This is that was super fun. You should go through, Grandma.
I've been on it, I think.
I think you guys might
I
want to come
think
back
the last
tomorrow.
time. We're not going to come back tomorrow.
Really?
No.
Oh.
Oh,
Well,
we went
maybe.
through a tunnel
Oh, did
and
you?
we yelled to get rid of the bats, which there were none of.
I was scared of us as we went in.
Yeah.
But
We went
but
out.
I saw a sign and it said, "Stay away the bats."
Oh.
Scare away the bats.
Is that what the sign says?
Maybe I'll. Oh, there. Where did he put his train? I wonder.
All right, so
That ride was 5 minutes long.
yeah.
That was longer
Did you
than
take
I
a
thought it would be.
picture?
I'm taking a video right now.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
What do you say
The whole
at
time.
the
There they go.
walk?
They're trying to spot him shoveling coal in.
Yeah, there is the walk.
Bye. They're gonna do the same thing that we just did.
You go out there and then walk down to the road over there. Walk in, check some stuff out, and then we'll
What's all closed?
No, there's
Yeah.
still a walk.
No, sweetie, it's all closed. Nothing's open because it's all tomorrow.
Well, the trains are open.
Harry, come here, please.
Harry. Harry.
But whatever.
I want to go to the sea.
Okay, well, your mom wants you to go back to where she is. Because she doesn't want you to get run over by a mini train. It would probably be long and painful because they wouldn't make it over you. Oh, there's the neon train over there. The tiny little neon train. Yellow neon.
No, that's a pipe thing.
No, that's the
I-
neon train. The orange neon train or whatever it is.
Can I borrow that $10 and I'll pay you back when we get
Harry, come on.
I like that. I want
I'm gonna give it to Grace. They're donating their time and their propane, all their
Okay, Harry. I'll go get Harry.
I'm gonna get him.
Harry, if you're gonna run off, make sure you bring me because if you trip, then I can also catch it on video and help you out by picking you up. Brotherly love.
Point. That's fun.
Harry. Oh, that was super fun. This is in Victoria, well, on Vancouver Island. If you want to come to it, there's the highway that you get off of the ferry or the plane. And it's just like along here. And there's trains, mini trains. So I'm promoting the place. Yeah, what? What did you say?
Look at
Stone boat. This is everything that they were pulling. This is what they were pulling it with. This is cool. Where's the seat though? I guess he just stands up? I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. In the comment section below.
See that can on top of the thingy? It
Yeah?
flowed up into the air and landed.
Cool. And you were riding on that? Oh.
It was like that tractor over there.
But that's a dead tractor. Oh no, that one. Okay, well let's go back over to your mom and
This
dad.
water.
I gotta end the video soon.
You. Na 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 na. I'm getting
Oh, he's gonna catch us.
lined up. Harry, you go over beside Preston.
Okay.
Why don't you stand by the tractor and we'll remember where you were. Oliver, stand up. Harry, come over.
Harry.
Here, please.
Picture.
Put your hat on right.
Here comes the train.
Standing with that tractor over there.
This is good. This is good.
Oliver, come
Yeah.
here. What are you doing in your hat? Here. No, come on. Nice pictures. Get with your cousin.
Perfect. That's nice. That's nice.
Okay. I held it. 10 minutes.
That one.
I gotta end the video now. I gotta end the video now.
Filming the whole time?
Yeah. Say bye, Oliver.
Bye, Oliver.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Come on.